Well, it's been a week since I've been back, and my goodness, how energized I feel. I met wonderful ladies, Wig sisters in Dallas. I learned about Wigs.com and the heart. My goodness, ladies, these women, this company, the partners, a man and a woman, who are just the heart of everything you can think about when you think of hair loss or hair challenges. These people, or even just hair change, these people have the heart. They know, they just know. And we had this commonality, and there were a lot of tears, because tears of happiness. We were just, it's amazing when your heart recognizes another person's heart who's in the same space. I think you know what I mean. It's overwhelming. It even makes me want to cry thinking about this. I'm on my boat. I'm going back to my workout in Lake Arrowhead, and I'm watching the sun come up over the mountains. You can see the sun on my face. Oh my goodness. Happy to be home, but so excited about the future and this wig journey and my new friends. It's an amazing time. And for those of you struggling with hair loss or hair challenges, or just feeling a little wah-wah, pick up a wig, check out wigs.com. It will change your life. I promise you, it will change your life. It changed my life. And I think about this story of Wicked. If you haven't seen the musical, it's amazing. And there's a song at the end, she says, "I have been changed." And yes, I have been changed. Have a great day. Cheers.